Barty Bartleby woke up yesterday morning at 6 a.m. It was a school day. At 8 a.m., Barty was ready for school. Barty had had breakfast. Barty had brushed his teeth. Barty had gotten to rest. Barty had combed his hair.
Okay, it's time to go to school.
And that was when there was a knock at the door.
Barty Bartleby, you're not going to school today. I'm not? You have more important things to do. I do? You certainly do.
Barty agreed. He certainly did have more important things to do. Throughout his whole life, Barty had known he had important things to do.
So what do I have to do? You have to battle a cat. A cat? That's easy. A cat with wings and fangs. A giant cat monster. And if you can defeat the cat, you'll make the world a better place. Okay, I don't really see how... Here, take this. This will help you in your quest. Okay.
It was 12 noon. Barty knew his classmates had already had PE class. They had already had math class. And now they were sitting in geography class learning about mountains. And where was Barty? At 12 noon, while his classmates were learning about mountains in a book, he was standing in front of a real-life mountain. He needed to climb the mountain and battle a giant monster cat and defeat it. But how? Barty had no idea. At 2 p.m., Barty reached the top. It had taken him 2 hours to climb the mountain. The whole time he had wondered how he was going to defeat the cat. How he was going to make the world a better place.
Here I am. Now what? I guess I have to find the cat.
Barty was terrified.
Oh!
Poor little Barty. He had never expected his day to turn out like this.
Oh, no. What should I do? Oh, wait. What's this in my pocket? It's what the little elf gave me. The box. What's in the box? A laser pointer. Whoa. Ooh, whoa! Is that Mars? I guess I did it. I defeated the cat. That was actually sort of easy. But I still don't get it. How's the world a better place now? We're free! What? Socks? What do you mean you're free? You freed us! You're our hero! The monster cat was keeping us prisoner! Now we're free! Hey, where are you going? We're going home! We're going back to our mates! Your mates? Yes! Every sock has a mate. We were taken from ours. Now we're going home!
Yes, it was true. Barty was now a hero. The monster cat had been stealing socks from all over the world. Every time someone had washed their socks, the cat had used his magical powers to make himself small and invisible. Then, he had flown into homes at laundry time and stolen just one sock from every household. Then, he had held the socks captive on the mountaintop. But along came Barty and sent the monster cat to Mars, where he would never steal another sock again. Barty had freed the socks. That night, Barty Bartleby went to bed with a smile. After all, the monster cat was gone, the socks were together with their mates. Barty Bartleby, just an average schoolboy, had shown courage, intelligence, and determination. Barty Bartleby had indeed made the world a better place. The end.